We have protein from chicken breast.
I freezed to death. Somebody didn't tell me it was a 4DX movie.
Completely forgot to show you guys my nail the other day, but this is how it turned out. Nice almond, almost medium shape, not too long, in this chocolatey brown. In that nail shade card ना ये कुछ खास लग नहीं रहा था, तो I was not sure, but मैं mind makeup करके गई थी कि मुझे इस बार ऐसे chocolatey brown चाहिए, and I'm so happy. It looks pretty nice. Also, please ignore my hair. I wasn't doing so well since past 3-4 days, which is why it's super oily, and so is my skin. It's not doing so well. But I'm gonna talk to you guys about this Azorte store. Wait, I'm gonna show you the two pieces that I picked up, one for myself and one for Nikhil, but both are from men's section. What is this tripod doing here? But okay, collection wise, I think collection was okay, nothing really extraordinary at all, and prices तो मतलब H&M range में था. The store is really getting famous for the experience more than the collection. So the lounge seating area that they have made, I saw a lot of elderly people sitting there and relaxing while of course their family members were trying out clothes, so I think that was cool. And I did not really get to experience the trial room, which I mean was pretty much the highlight of the store, but I think I'll do that someday eventually, because I only picked up 2 pieces and ain't nobody going to the trial room to try these 2 pieces. I bought this in the size S, and the reason why it caught my attention is because of course the color combination. I love a color like this, you know, like this dark navy blue with white combination looks really nice. Even when you don't have any makeup on, you can just wear this at home, or really when you're running errands. It's very casual, but the fabric on this is so soft, it's so smooth, the quality feels so good on this one. Of course I tried a few, or like felt a few rather, because I was not trying it physically on my body, but not all of them were like this quality wise, but this one, the quality felt really good. Now that I have it, I think I should have bought it in M or even L for that oversized fit, but it's okay. This is quite nice. This is from men's section. And then for the same reason, for the softness of it all, Nikhil picked up this sweatshirt. Now he's very scared to put on anything white. He has to be in that mindset if he plans on wearing white, because of course it's so high maintenance, right? So मैंने उसको बोला कि are you sure? I don't think you'll be wearing it, but again इसका fabric is so soft. Like I wish you could just like extend your arms and touch it. It's so soft. It's so nice. And like I showed you guys, उसके next there was a Miniso store, so I shopped a few impulsive things. When you enter Miniso, you don't really need those things, you just want those things, so I did some impulsive shopping. And firstly, I have this basically a makeup brush holder. This one मैंने notice नहीं किया था, Nikhil noticed, and was like, do you want this? I'm like, what is that? I think it's for your brushes. I was like, yes. This was for 300 rupees. I bought these hair rollers, 170 rupees, and I already have these, I'm not gonna lie. And Nikhil was like, don't you already have it? Okay, I cannot open it, but even Nikhil was like, I think you're wasting money, you already have it, which I agree, but it already has those clip-ons. So you know, my problem with using rollers is like I don't know where really to clip my hair, and I'm very confused, and then it ends up very not so good. So I thought this would be helpful because this already has the clip-on attachment, so I can use it for this section of my hair when I'm styling. This is for 170 rupees. I bought 2 nose pore strips, deep cleaning nose strips. One is in bamboo charcoal and the other is aloe vera extract. Very random purchase again. And then I got this ice roller sort of a situation because I've been waking up with very puffy under eyes and even swollen eyelids. So I think I'm gonna just put this in the freezer overnight, and then morning I can just massage, and this should help me depuff my face. This was for 200 rupees. Washed my hair this morning and applied a little bit of gel, and every time I have my hair colored, and if I apply a little gel, little bit, this is the texture that I get. And I'm not mad because I'm never able to get this kind of, it's not a curl but still like this kind of a wavy texture when I have my natural virgin black hair. But on colored hair, I think it looks very nice. Tomorrow is Onam, which means I'm going to wear the Onam sari, और उसके लिए मैंने ये blouse मंगाया. This is from Amazon. It has this deep cut at the back and it's so pretty. The finishing is also really nice. So I'm excited for tomorrow. Also the padding quality is also good. The pads given are quite nice. It's not very flimsy and it's not moving around. ये मुझे कितने का पड़ा? This was okay. 2499 is the price of this, but I think मुझे 699 या 799 का मिल गया, and it comes in a bunch of different colors. So I'm going to have the link in the description box below for you guys. Alright, and because it's Onam tomorrow, my family will be coming over for lunch and everything, and I have lots of cleaning to do. Anyways, it's weekend, so weekends are my deep cleaning sort of a day. But today I have to be extra meticulous about it because tomorrow is Onam. But the cleaning will have to be postponed for evening because I have lots of filming to do. Tomorrow is Onam, of course. I'll not be able to film, but today I'll try and make most of my day. I have a lot of video ideas that I want to execute, but very little time. But let's get to filming. I know I said I'll do the cleaning later, but this tabletop cleaning is a part of my filming process because this is always, well, not always, generally my background, and I keep this cute little dustbin that I had picked up from Miniso. And yesterday मैंने आपको दिखाया था this brush holder that I had bought from Miniso. I have to clean my brushes and then I'll start using this for brushes, but for now I have put all of my new lippies that I'm trying. I'm going to make a very good dedicated review video on all the viral lip launches.
A few minutes later.
Currently shooting a transition reel on this kurta set that I bought from Fashoor. It's beautiful. It's perfect for the festive season, I think. And the fabric is so good, you guys. I had to come on here and show it to you. Now I'm going to go downstairs with Nikhil and he's going to help me shoot the second part of the transition. Hey guys, happy Onam. So it's a little bit of a chaos happening right now. So मैंने सब कुछ, like everything kept outside, my blouse, my sari. And plan was to, of course, get ready and everything, but plans have changed because there are a few formalities that my parents and I have to go and complete at the new house that they are buying. So yeah, I woke up this morning, cleaned, vacuumed, pocha and everything, arranged, decorated, and took a nice shower, and now I'm ready in the same kurta that I was wearing yesterday because I was wearing this for like less than 30 minutes. So this is brand new only. So I think I'm just gonna fix my face a little. My parents will be here any minute. We'll have Onam Sadhya and then most likely go to the apartment, come back, and then I really want to get dressed and click good pictures. So that's the plan. I'm hoping that I'm able to come back on time before sunset, get ready in the sari and click good pictures with the fam. Hello girlies. Hello. थोड़ी देर में हम करेंगे खाना, but happy Onam. Happy Onam. Happy Onam. Yes, फिर से करो. Happy Onam. Gudu. Happy Onam. What are we doing?
A few minutes later.
This is the first time we are entering into the gym where they have got the equipments and everything. And this is our house. कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत अच्छा।
हमारा
आप जो
ऑलमोस्ट घर फाइनल हो चुका है।
मेरा डायलॉग कंप्लीट नहीं करने दिया।
अच्छा प्लीज बोलिए, आप क्या बोल रही थी?
आप जो मेरे साइड में खड़ी हैं तो मेरा दिल तो अच्छा ही जाएगा।
अरे
और
मैं
अच्छा ही लगेगा।
मैं मेरे प्रेजेंस की बात नहीं कर रही थी।
सुंदर लग रही हैं आपकी, अब क्या ही कह सकते हैं।
थैंक यू जी, बट मैं मेरे प्रेजेंस की बात नहीं कर रही थी। मैं पूछ रही थी आपको कैसा लग रहा है कि हमारे जिस फॉर्मेलिटी के लिए आए थे वो हो गया हमारा। और
घर तो अच्छा ही है, लेकिन आप है ना उस घर
Oh
में,
God!
तो उससे और अच्छा लग
ओके
रहा
नेवर माइंड।
है।